Why? You want my money? If you feel the pinch and you feel the hurt, you feel the dagger put into your heart.
Hi everyone, we are here for episode 3 and I'm taking over Pong's job today. I'm your host, just kidding.
Very good.
And so I am Jane and I'm here with my bestie, she's so gorgeous, Eva. And yes, Mr. Pong, of course, he's hosting us lah. I was just kidding. Anyway, we're getting back to the topic of whether your partner should know how much you have in your bank account. Very interesting.
God, sensitive question.
Very.
Super sensitive. Maybe I can start off first.
Yeah, why not?
I
Since
had
I'm
a-
hosting, right? Yeah, I'm hosting.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Na, ขอบคุณเลย So, I've got a friend last time. She, I think, supposed to get married, right? So, they do travel. I don't know how often, but they do travel. And then she just asked, hey, darling or baby, since we travel, why not we open a share account? And then, every month I put 300, you put 300 inside and maybe after 6 months when we want to travel anywhere in the world, we can use that money maybe to buy air tickets and then book our accommodation.
Yeah.
And you know what? First thing that the so-called future husband replied, "F***ed up." He just said this. Why? You want my money?
He's earning quite a bit lah. It sounds like he's earning quite a bit.
Yes. What I know is that Bagel family is well-to-do. But that was the first thing he replied. That's what I think. Comes to money doesn't matter. 讲难听一点
Yeah.
พ่อหรือแม่ น้องหรือพี่สาว have problem one. Father, mother, this one what blood thicker than water comes to money. Bam.
That's where you have to question the dynamics of the relationship already, like whether you're on that level where you can discuss money yet and whether you are married or not. Like for me, I'm married, right? So it's a bit different that we have to talk about finances openly because we are supporting kids as well. When kids are in the picture, it's also a very different story. But before I was married, I don't really say, maybe they just know how much I earn. That's about it. But I don't say how much is in the bank. There's a difference.
Yeah.
So yeah.
But the what if this same situation like what happened to my friend? Is it something that y'all will do before married? Or let's assume that you're not thinking about getting married soon.
Oh man. sorry. I love talking to myself,
Siao sendiri.
Used to the live stream, talk to
No,
myself.
so you mean like that means what? You will not
I
open a
will-
share account
no.
with your partner?
Even if he's like my boyfriend, future husband, future scandal, future sugar daddy, no. Not in my books. Me, because there were past experiences with ex-boyfriends who totally just wrecked the idea of me having a shared account with them lah. So I had ex-boyfriends who literally used my money, used me because of my money and things like that. It was very traumatizing lah, especially like for girls,
Because they know you earn more than them, is it? That's why they. But they are the one that voice out that to open a share account.
no incidences that led me not to have a share account. Yeah, so they like use my money blindly lah and this and that, just very bad experiences lah. So because of that, being so traumatized, right, I will never ever open a share account even if I have a husband, because
Wow.
in my eyes, right, a guy should definitely payong, we call it payong lah, payong the girl, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, I should payong the girl, and then you should just be a man, be responsible, and just take care of like the whole household, take care of her. It's just me being very traditional. I don't know what you guys think about this.
I think that is so true. Like I'm also honestly I'm very sick and tired of like having been in Eva's shoes, also paying for the guy many times
Yeah.
because
Low.
yeah, it's
it's
just
really-
you just want them to step up. I mean, I'm there to help you. I'm there to support you
Yeah.
while you start building yourself up and everything. But then
Yeah.
after a while, you're like, hey, it's already been like 4 years ish. Like, you know?
4 years, not 4 months, 4 years.
Yeah, it's like
It's really long.
Yeah.
So I mean, like there are many instances lah with like my exes and all that. So I do feel like, yeah, my sister probably she hears this, she'll just joke and be like, hi, what share account? No need share account lah. They just ask you for money already, you give, that kind of thing. Just, but I mean, yeah. So I agree with Eva. I think it's not okay. Maybe you can do it this way. You can have like your own personal account. Don't touch. No one touches. No one knows anything about it except yourself. and then you have one which is a shared account with that person, which you are willing to part with that money lah and never see again, you know, because you never know what will happen.
What will happen to the money? Yeah, yeah.
So,
But
yeah.
is there something or somehow they can say to pacify you being traumatized before?
Nope. Back to the dick chopping board. You talk one more time, I
Eh.
chop your dick, eh?
She say about
For
dick,
money.
my mind cannot stop thinking about kuku jiao, no. So really no. I think, yeah, because money is so sensitive, right?
Yeah.
You know, and this kind of dollar and cents, yeah, I think. But for me, maybe I will. I think it just depends, like the dynamics of the
Yeah,
relationship.
I think same.
Yeah, I think it's quite important. Like if you really know that this is the person you're gonna settle down till the day you mati,
yeah.
then okay lah, why not kan? Dah
What?
mati.
Okay, but what happens if, let's say I'm your girlfriend, right? Chopping board. Let's say I'm your girlfriend, and then I say, okay, you want to do a shared account? Okay, fine, we do a shared account. Open a shared account. What if I asked you, right? Every month you put in 500, I put in 100 or 200. Are you okay with it? So
If-
the girl contributes lesser than the boy.
But who was the one that wants to have this open account?
Maybe it's a mutual decision lah.
If it's a mutual decision, then I mean, at the end of the day, if I'm okay with it, then okay. But if let's say to play safe without misunderstanding, because like I said, money is so
It's
fucking sensitive. It's really sensitive. Then I say, okay, if you put 100 and 500, there will be this difference of maybe 80-20. Then if let's say to use the money, then whoever put the most have to say lah. Right? But if put with the same amount, then both should have the same amount of say. I think
Guys, you see how complicated this is already?
Yeah.
Do you
it's
see?
until I need a Ferrero Rocher.
Yeah, you know,
Oh
it's,
my
it's
George.
yeah, it's like company, you know, or I own 80% of that share, then another two owns 10%. I mean, ultimately the 80% will have the say, unless it's just like, you know what, like, yeah, f- it lah, you know, I just throw money, what you want to do, your do, I don't give a shit, I don't care.
Yeah.
But I
you
know
know,
of
แล้วแต่
some-
พ่อมึงเลย
There are some men who are like they're the ones who are the sole breadwinners. They're earning the most. They don't mind, they don't care. They're like, money, just take. I mean, I have friends lah whose husbands are like that. They're like, oh, how much do you need allowance this month? Oh, okay, take lah, because they're well to do. They're doing fine.
Yeah.
You know, so if you're in that situation, then I think also don't even need a joint account. The guy's just like, how much you want?
你要
open
多少
wallet.
给你
Yeah.
咯
Yeah.
kau nak berapa aku bagi kau ke. But
That's
I
why.
think if let's say we base on that example, let's say I was the one that asked you, say, hey, baby, you know, do you think we should open a shared account? If I know that, let's say my partner, it's already earning lesser than me, and by me asking them to open a shared account, I would definitely know that they're going to put lesser, right? Let's say example, this person earned 3,500, the guy, example. You say every month he can put 500. The girlfriend maybe brings home 1,008. If the guy is being a cunt, maybe you say you have to put the same. But if the guy is understandable and the girlfriend is okay, but maybe the girlfriend say, but I won't be able to put 500
Yeah.
like you, can I just put 100, 200? And if I think if the guy is really someone who understands, he will just say, yes, baby, no problem. I mean, at the end of the day, you know, I just want this account so that we don't need to spend extra money on the day that we want to travel because we have already saved out 6 months on that money.
Or even, you know, this joint account bullshit, right, can be for your wedding.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Say, because the guy always buy things for his bike
Buy tit?
or gamble. So the girl is like, you know what? I'm gonna hold you down. You are forced to save. That's why we're gonna open a joint account. Then okay lah, maybe it's
Yeah.
understandable.
Okay, then that makes
Yeah.
sense.
Yeah.
There's a goal lah. There's a goal with
To the
all that
wedding.
money.
Yeah. But if you say, maybe there's this ultimate one goal and it's like a once in a lifetime goal.
And it's a big,
Yeah, wedding
big
is once in a
expensive goal.
lifetime, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god, for real.
Oh yeah, wedding is. Oh shit, man! I thought 1 year, 1 time. I keep
I think my Chinese
Sorry.
New Year.
sorry. I keep thinking 1 year, 1 time. Then I was like, oh yeah, it's
Like
once in a
birthday.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, I think yes.
That one okay, yes.
I think confidently I will be willing to put. Will you? If it's for my wedding. Right?
Definitely.
And
Why
I really
not?
plan to marry unless I found out that my partner cheat lah.
Yeah.
Right?
Then what are we gonna do with all that money, right?
I will take before she know.
But if that girl is me, I will take the money faster than you.
Okay, macam ni. So you will, if this is the ultimate goal, that you don't mind to open a share account.
Of course, yeah, because it's like we both have this like goal that we are striving towards. Then I feel it's fine lah. It's not like I'm gonna put all my money in there, like my whole entire life savings. I'm just gonna put what I can afford to put. You know.
I'm gonna put $10, man. So okay, I can afford $10.
Yeah,
every
you
month.
know? I mean, like, if I'm doing really bad for the month and I need to put less, then I just put less lah. And then you as my partner should understand why. If you want to like fight with me over a bloody joint account, then that also shows that we have a problem lah with
Yeah.
our relationship. So this will also, I guess, show a lot of different sides to people in a
But you see,
relationship.
感情这种东西 love right is so different, right? Now maybe can say never. What if your this boyfriend or girlfriend really made you feel very different from all your past every single relationship, and this thing came up? Would there be a change of mind?
Possibly.
Because, right?
Possibly.
But in all my relationships, I never had the need to do this whole joint accounting. Like, just never dawned on me to do it. Never thought about it. I think
Got
she's
an
giggling
idea.
because she's like, because you just open your wallet, what?
No, because you know why? Okay, a lot of couples nowadays, young and old lah. I mean, new couples lah. New couples I'm saying So you just steady just go steady
So stay.
Yeah, just only. And then you're already talking about marriage. You're talking about settling down. You know, all the butterflies and rainbows.
Yeah.
And then this thing about joint account comes about. Sometimes it's all psychology, okay? So example, listen girls to my bitches in the house, okay? If the boy says, hey baby, we open the joint account, we open together. And then the girl's like, huh? In your heart, you're like, huh? He really loves me. He really loves me so much. It's all a scam. It's all a fucking scam.
Yeah.
This is all just words.
Yeah.
You know, maybe he's really out to scam you. I don't know.
Or maybe it's
Maybe.
not lah, but the odds is high lah that he's out to scam.
Or maybe it's just the chase. You know, like, oh, I'm trying to get this girl, so I'm going to use all these sweet words on her. Like, hey, let's open an account, let's get married, this and that, you know? Yeah.
Wow, money is such a tough
Yeah,
subject.
it's
really.
I think even until now, married couple also, I think they have this issue.
Argue a lot about money.
I think
about
until today,
finances.
it's like an everyday thing. Like now, as we are talking, there's some couples out there is quarreling about money now.
Yeah.
So the ultimate answer, let's say not married lah. Yes or no to a shared account?
I'm still going to say no.
I also know.
I'm still going to say
I
no.
don't see a need,
Yeah.
It's not of
I
that
will
much
also
importance.
probably go with no.
Yeah.
Now, ready to settle down? Yes or no? No, maybe.
Mine is just maybe.
Oh,
I mean,
okay lah. Then I give you yes or no, maybe lah.
yeah, I don't know because it really depends. Like, okay, then depends also. Okay, married with kids, also a whole different thing. What
Before married, but you are about to settle down.
about to settle down? Like she said, if you are working towards like saving for the wedding, then okay.
Okay, then you will you?
If he's Brad Pitt
Just like, wait, what?
If he's Brad Pitt Okay, guys. So that being said, this is the most controversial, one of the most controversial topics we've ever. You laughing at what? Huh? You laughing at what? So disclaimer, guys. We're not out here to hurt anyone in the past or in the present. We're not, okay? So siapa makan chili rasa pedas, I'm so sorry, but it's just, you know,
Siapa makan cili pun rasa
Yes.
pedas kan?
it's just our 5 cents, okay? Whatever we think.
Just 5 cents. If you feel the pinch and you feel the hurt, you feel the dagger put into your heart, you probably is the bastard that have done that before. I'm sorry to say that. Will I take back my words? No, because you're a bastard. But anyways, so I help you already, huh? And cut!